Have you ever wondered how shareholders protect their ownership stake when a company issues new shares? Let's talk about preemptive rights. Preemptive rights, sometimes called subscription rights, are a specific privilege granted to existing shareholders. Think of it as a seat at the table. If a company doubles its shares, your percentage of ownership would normally drop in half. When a company plans a new share offering, they offer these rights to current owners first, based on how much stock they already hold. Ever feel like your slice of the company pie is shrinking when new shares go on sale? Preemptive rights are your secret weapon to stay protected. Without these rights, a large new issue of stock can significantly dilute your voting power and your claim on future earnings. Always check a company's articles of incorporation or proxy statements to see if these rights are granted to shareholders. Understanding your rights as an owner is a key part of smart investing. Subscribe for more money basics and keep learning.